Hello, my lovely friends. Good morning from Pakistan. My lovely friends, my lovely friend, today we are working golden brown, super Shams golden brown on manual basis. Where we are prepare recipe from that's our mixer, strong mixer, and after mixing we submit all powder in this separator. After this all packing work are managed with manual. This is a packet, a three side packet, and below side open. This is a wet machine. These are manual packing system without without automatic machinery. They all work are doing with manual. This is the packet. We arrange these packets from press. The cost of these packets 700 per kg. The beautiful, very beautiful packing, a strong movement, only open below side, only open below side. Hence, there are not any required any automatic packing machine for small under. These packets are available. These packets are available if you arrange if you ordered any press, they were complete your packet in this shape. Super Shams washing powder. Strong packing, highly best quality of your washing powder is your goodwill of your brand, is goodwill of your future, of goodwill of your department. These works are we are working on manual basis because the working on packing machine is very costly. Hence, who convert on manual basis plan. Manual basis. Super Shams washing powder. Best quality, best raw material. Raised very strong and fruitful result. This was washing powder clean dirty dots, very shining cloth, and is a very strong active matter in this washing powder. Best quality, best result. Super Shams washing powder. Our product quality is best. We are working on manual basis. This is our packing machine. This is our packing machine. This project is an automatic system, but we have no need of this packing machine and no need of these conveyors because uh, the packets of our washing powder managed by press a very beautiful, a very cheapest rate. The running of this heavy machine raised our expenditure and very costly. Hence, we are working on manual basis. What's the best result? What's the best product? Our aim is our washing powder result will be better than others. This is our mixer, very strong material. It's built from industrial estate Multan. Strong machinery, strong result. Heavy machinery, very fruitful result. Mixing function is very strong. Mixing of washing powder process is very strong. The result and output is very strong. Machinery is strong, your department is strong. This mixer had built from industrial estate Mustan by engineer, electronic engineer, by mechanic engineer. It's made by a, a professional engineer. Very strong, very strong, very strong. Understand? This is our rate expiry date machine. Understand? This is our manual system packing machine. This is our manual packing system. This is our separator with strong material, heavy iron. It is made by engineer in industrial estate Multan. Heavy machine, strong result, and the movement of washing powder is very beautiful. The result are come. This is our result. This is our result. We manage it on manual basis because the cost of petrol, because the cost of dollar is on higher side in Pakistan. Today the dollar rate is 180, 180, and the petrol and diesel per liter 150. Huge costly. Hence, we decide very, very beautiful, very charming, best product will manage packing by manual system. Super Shams washing powder. Our aim, best product, best raw material. This is our result. This is our result. Best production, best raw material, best chemical, but we manage and we convert it in manual. This is a wet machine, manual packing system, and manage in a manual packing sealer. This is our sealer. Understand? To control expenditure, huge expenditure. Only packing machine are working on our sachet. Only working on sachet. This is our machine fixed for sachet. Understand? This is our machine, packing machine, automatic packing machine with best result, but but it is fixed for only sachet packet, simple sachet. Understand? This is our sachet. These these system on made packing machine only fixed for sachet. Understand? These are our bronze super shams washing powder. This is our golden brand. This is our golden brand, and this is our special brand. The cost of a special brand is 200 in Pakistan rupees per kg, and the golden brand rates are 300 cost per kg. Two brands are working in Pakistan. Super Shams washing powder. Best quality, best result. Working built by best highly costly raw material. Best quality, best result. Super Shams washing powder. But we manage it on manual basis. We mixing with mixing in mixer and process next process on separator. After that, our packing system on manual basis. Super Shams washing powder. Our aim, our future, our brand, our best result, best product. Super Shams washing powder. Super Shams washing powder. A special brand, golden brand. My lovely friend. Goodbye.